Cursive Writing Explained, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting aspect of writing, cursive writing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your English skills, understanding cursive writing is a fantastic step forward. So, let's dive in and learn about this unique style of writing. Cursive writing is a style of penmanship where the letters are written in a flowing manner, often with the characters joined together. This style is designed for efficiency and speed in writing. Unlike block letters, where each letter is separate, cursive letters are connected, making writing quicker and more fluid. Cursive writing has a distinctive, elegant appearance and is used in various languages, including English. Cursive writing has a rich history. It dates back to the days when writing was done with quills and ink. This style was developed to prevent ink spills and to increase writing speed. In modern times, cursive writing is less common due to the advent of digital communication. However, it remains an important skill, especially for formal documents, signatures, and personal letters. Understanding cursive writing also helps in reading historical documents. Learning cursive writing involves understanding the basic strokes and how letters are connected. Each letter has a unique form in cursive, and there are rules for connecting letters to each other. Start with individual letters, then move on to connecting them to form words. Practice is key, and with time, your cursive writing will become more fluid and natural. Here are some tips to help you master cursive writing. Start with simple letters and gradually move to complex ones. Use lined paper to maintain uniformity in size and height. Practice regularly to develop muscle memory. Focus on maintaining a smooth flow between letters. Don't rush. Speed will increase with practice. While we live in a digital age, cursive writing still holds importance. It is a skill that enhances fine motor skills and creativity. It is also crucial for developing a personal signature. Understanding cursive writing can also be a cultural enrichment, as it connects us to past generations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of cursive writing. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find that cursive writing is not only a useful skill but also an enjoyable art form. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.